Hey guys, it is Nick the Booksmith. Welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to share with everybody the Graphics Fairy Design Team project for September. So what I have done is made a traveling journal kit, and to make it even more portable, I created this little bag to put it, just a little messenger bag of sorts, and it just has this little flap that folds over. On the back side is a couple of pockets, and this one is for like cell phone size, and this one's for like sunglasses, unless you're, you know, a Kardashian and you wear giant sunglasses. So it's inside this little bag. It fits just perfectly inside this little bag. It has a nice wide shoulder strap, real comfortable. And inside is the journal. And so, put this aside. So, ooh, it kind of blends into my table, doesn't it? This is my new countertop. And yeah, it kind of blends in, so I'll have to bring it up close. So this one is very reminiscent of the Naturalist kit that I made last month, beginning of last month, and it has the aged textile on the cover. As you can see, it looks water stained and aged. And then on the front we have this collection envelope, and this one happens to have a little metal book plate with a Fields Notes label, and then it's got this little number plate down here, this little metal plate. And on the inside, I went a little different this time. On the inside we have, of course, the pocket filled with all kinds of images inside this pocket, and they are mostly dealing with botany and horticulture. Got this cool storage label with a number code and a ticket. And what the little notebook is a coloring book. And so I'm calling this this journal kit Permission to Color, because it's most likely that an adult will get this, although I don't know. But I thought how cool it would be to have a coloring book with some beautiful images, and I was able to find many of them at the Graphics Fairy in her premium membership part of the website, which I have been a member of for some time now. So what I did was I collected some black and white etchings, and I turned them into like scientific plates. And so I added the Latin name, and I added some of the smaller elements at the bottoms of the pages. And I added also some blank pages here and there as well. And here's like this one, it's got the figure numbers, and it's got the different parts of the flower. This happens to be flax. There's a poppy. I think there's about 16 images in here, approximately, I think. And there's just some little daisies. So anyway, there's several in here, and they are ready for whomever to color like that. And so on the front of the book is this beautiful image, and this was, part of this was taken from an actual horticultural magazine that, a Victorian era. And then I added this little insect vivarium image to the middle. And then on the back I have one of my Keep This Book Clean, like a Denison style label, and then another image down here with hyacinth and narcissus in little bulb jars and a pot. So there is that. There's my label in the back, and I have added in the front, in the images, there are some images that are in here that pertain to the flowers that are in the book, in the coloring book, so you can reference some of them to see what colors you can color your flowers. So a lot of them are in here. So there is that, and lots of other fun things to play with as well. Let me put that back in here. This big old paper clip, and then that just goes right in there. And then in the back, of course, we have our art box. That just opens up like so. There is a poppy image on the inside cover. You can color that one as well. And then inside the box, we have a nice big selection of colored pencils. There is a pencil sharpener and an eraser and some twine, you know, just in case. There's this little matchbox, and inside the matchbox is a bunch of little charms and clips and, you know, fun stuff. So that goes in this little box. And there's also a little glass vial that goes in there. And here inside of this little muslin bag, maybe, is a little pair of scissors. And the scissors just fold open like that. And then you just kind of close them up like so. And then they fit back in the little bag. And underneath the bag there is a little parchment baggie, and it's got stickers and labels and that kind of thing. And then there is also a little notebook, you know, just in case. So that is what's inside this art box that goes along with this adult coloring book. I think this this could also be adapted for kids too. You know how you know that kid, that's artsy and loves to draw and loves to color, and you have no idea what to get him or her. Well, you could make them one of these. They would love this. And of course you can use images that would pertain more to the kids' likes. But wouldn't that be cool for that kid? I know me as a kid would have loved one of these. I would have carried it around everywhere, like everywhere. And if you are, you know, a mom, a dad, a grandma, an auntie, an uncle, a big brother, sister, whatever, you know, and once they get done with one notebook, well, then you're going to have to make them another so they can swap it out. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this design team project. I had a ball looking for all the images that I wanted to use in the coloring book. So thank you for checking out my design team project for the month of September. And I will put a link in the description box below to the Graphics Fairy. This book will be going up for sale at Etsy on Friday, and I will put the time down in the description box below. And yeah, so I will be back really soon. I've got another video to show you, so this one might be up first. So if you're here, just beware. I'll be back. All right, guys. I'll see you really soon in the next video. Bye, guys.